Welcome to Level Up Mechanics. My name is Chris, and today we're going to be upgrading our fog lamp assemblies with an LED fog lamp that's available on Amazon. I'll make sure to provide a link in the description below. These are very affordable LED fog lamps, as they're only approximately $60. These fog lamps are an excellent option if you want to upgrade your fog lamps from a dim halogen H11 bulb with the reflector style housing to some blacked out LED fog lamp assemblies. These are the fog lamps right here. These are a great option if you want to upgrade your fog lamps to LEDs but don't want to spend $150 or more on LED bulbs. So again, I'll make sure to provide a link in the description below for these fog lamps if you're interested. But with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the install. Alright, first thing we're going to do is remove the front grille assembly so we can get a clear view of both of the fog lamps. Mine is a 2017, so I don't have a Toyota safety sensor built into the front grille. All I have to do is to remove this screw, this retaining clip down here, and this retaining clip right here. Pocket screwdrivers, they're so useful. You don't need to pull out any fancy tools, just gotta use a pocket screwdriver. Alright, now that we have the front grille off, which was super easy, next thing we're gonna do is to remove these little shrouds right here. And in order to do that, there's just gonna be a retaining clip right here, and the same on the other side. I think there's like a little hook or something on the back side right here, but it's super easy to get off once you have those retaining clips off. So let me go ahead and pull those off. Now that the shrouds are out of place, I'm going to go ahead and show you how easy it is to access the fog lamp assemblies. And I may need to use a flashlight so you can see, but right here you have your fog lamp assembly, and you got your electrical connector on the back end, and on the far end you're going to have one Phillips screw. So for example, this guy is labeled R for the right side, so this would go on the passenger side right here, but on the far end you're just going to have one screw going through one of these ears that are on the fog lamp assembly. You're just going to take that one screw out with a Phillips screwdriver, and then at that point you'll be able to slide the complete fog lamp assembly out of place and slide the new one back into place and install the screw. Alright, so that took me all of about 10 minutes to do. I was actually able to adjust the fog lamps through the grill, just accessing them like I did in order to replace the fog lamp assemblies. I'm going to have to wait until it gets a little bit darker to actually fine-tune the adjustment, so that way I can shine the light on the fog lamp assemblies against my garage door and then adjust up or down on the left or right side as needed. But with that being said, if you want to wait until nighttime in order to adjust the fog lamps and then install everything back together, you can do so. I'm going to go ahead and just install everything back together so you can see what the finished product looks like. But so far, it was really quick install, very easy to get to. I didn't have to lay on the ground by going in through the fender liner on each of the wheels. Instead, just removing the front grille and the shroud gave me plenty of access in order to change out the fog lamps quick and easy. Again, it took only about 10 minutes to do so. It's a really simple job. So let me go ahead and put everything back together and show you the final look. Alright, so I definitely like the look of these blacked out fog lamp assemblies, the LED versions, with them off. The blackout housing matches really well with the rest of the black trim on the front of the Tacoma. So these are looking really good as far as matching and getting rid of as much chrome look as possible. I'm really excited to see how they perform. So I'm going to turn them on real quick just to see what they look like in the daytime lit up. They are a lot brighter than the dim yellowish, dullish looking factory halogen fog lamp bulbs with the factory fog lamp assemblies. I definitely am liking the look. Let's go ahead and check it out and compare the differences between the factory and these Amazon LED fog lamp assemblies. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, as 2021 will hopefully be the year of 1,000 subscribers. And in the meantime, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.